Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Toon Meowscle from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw a curved line across for the top of his head. Right there. And at the ending point on the right, turn it diagonally up to the tip of his ear. Curve line diagonally down to the right. Turn it downwards at the side of his head. Turn it diagonally out to the right and slightly downwards. Semi-turn to the left and diagonally down. Curve line across diagonally to the left at that corner. Mirror that same set of line on the left side of his head. Inside of his face, in the middle point slightly above, I'm going to draw an arch curve line across to the left at that corner, curve line downwards at that corner, and turn it slightly inwards to the right, flare it back out with curve line to the left and turn it downwards. Mirror that same set of line on the right side of his face. Below that whole thing, I'm gonna draw his eye with a semi-oval shape, and I'm gonna leave a gap on the right corner of the eye. And at that gap, from the ending point above, diagonal line downwards to the left, sharp turn across to the right. Fill in the eye with black color. Repeat that same shape of the eye on the right side. Below the eye, I'm going to draw his mouth from the middle point, a U curve line to the left. From the same point in the middle, I'm going to draw a U curve line to the right. At the outer corner of his face, I'm going to fill in that space with black color. Below the head on the left, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line to the left and slightly down, short line upwards, across to the left at that corner, an arch curve line to the left, turn it diagonally down to the left and outwards. At that ending point, another arch curve line across to the left. Sharp turn upwards and slightly to the right. And above that ending point, I'm going to draw his glove with curve line across to the left, turn it diagonally up to the left, semi-turn to the right, and at that ending point, curve line diagonally down to the right and to the inner corner of his wrist. On the right side of that, curve line across at the upper point to the right and to his finger, semi-turn downwards at that corner, semi-turn to the left at the lower point. On the left side of that ending point, slightly above, curve line downwards, semi-turn to the left and turn it slightly up. Repeat that same shape again on the left side of that whole thing. Extend it upwards at the side of his hand, a small arch curve line across to the right. Below that, curve line across to the inner corner of his glove at his lower point. Below the hand, I'm going to draw his thumb with curve line across from the middle point right there, semi-turn upwards on the right corner. Above his hand, I'm going to draw a thick curve line across at that corner, and another similar thick curve line above that on the right there. For the outer line of his arm below the glove on the left, diagonal curve line downwards and out to the left. Turn it back inwards to his elbow point. Flare it out with curve line, semi-turn to the right and slightly up. Curve line across to the right and slightly down. Extend it across to the right. Curve line downwards at that ending point. Semi-turn diagonally inwards to the right. Turn it downwards and to his waist. Inside of the arm on his elbow point, I'm going to draw a curve line diagonally down at that point. And from the same ending point, I'm going to draw another curve line. Flare it further out in the middle point. I'm going to mirror the whole thing on the right side. Now at the inner corner of his shoulder, I'm going to draw the outer line of the left strap with a curved line downwards and slightly to the left. Turn it back inwards to the right at the lower point. Extend it all the way to the lower point of the strap. Copy that same set of line again for the inner line of that strap. And I'm going to turn it further apart at the lower point. And at the ending point below, I'm going to draw a button with a circular shape. And inside of the circular shape, I'm going to draw two thick lines downwards. Below the button, on the right corner, continue the line of the strap downwards. You curve line across to the left. Turn it back upwards on the left corner. On the right side of the strap, at the upper corner, I'm going to draw a short curve line downwards on the right side, right there. Turn it diagonally upwards to the right with a curve line and to the lower point of his head. On the left side of the strap, I'm going to draw a similar curve line downwards at that corner. Turn it out to the left. Turn it diagonally down to the left. Turn it downwards. Semicircle turn diagonally inwards to the right. Sharp turn out to the left. Turn it downwards at that corner. Turn it diagonally inwards to the right. Curve line across at the side of his waist at that point. Sharp turn diagonally upwards to the left with curve line at that corner. At that ending point, diagonal line downwards to the left. Turn it downwards. Extended line downwards to his ankle point and slightly to the right. Below his waist, I'm going to draw the upper line of his pants with curve line diagonally downwards to the right from the left right there. Extend it to the side of his strap. Curve line downwards at the side of his strap right there. Continue that curve line downwards below the button along the edge of the strap. Curve line across along the edge. Turn it back upwards on the right corner and extend it upwards above the button. I'm gonna mirror the whole thing on the right side. At the inner corner of the strap, I'm going to draw a curved line across at this upper point to the right, and I'm gonna thicken the left side of that line. Mirror that same set of line on the right side. For the inner line of his leg, I'm going to draw in the middle point a curved line across at this upper corner, a line downwards on both ending points at the side, and at the ending point below, curved line across from the left corner to the right, and at the side of the leg, slightly above that curved line diagonally down and out, semicircle turn inwards and down, curved line across to the inner corner on the right. Mirror that same set of shape on the right leg. In the middle point right there, a line upwards, arch curved line to the left and to the right. Below that, a line downwards at the inner corner of his boots, turn it sideways to the left, turn it diagonally down to the left, semicircle turn with curved line to the left. Turn it upwards on the left corner, a short line inwards to the right. Turn it across to the right, slightly downwards, semicircle turn diagonally upwards and curved line across to the right. Above that set of line on the left corner, I'm going to draw the front tip of his shoe with curved line upwards, semicircle turn diagonally across to the right, turn it downwards on the right corner, a line diagonally up to the right at that corner. Mirror that same set of line for his right shoe. Now for his weapon, at the side of his thigh, I'm going to draw an arch curved line out, turn it diagonally down on the left corner, turn it downwards, curved line across to the right. Below that, a line downwards on the left corner, curved line across to the right. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a square shape at that point. Above that whole thing, on the left corner, a line upwards, turn it diagonally out to the left and up, turn it upwards, arch curved line to the right, turn it downwards diagonally to the right, flare it out to the right, turn it downwards. Inside of that shape, at the lower point, I'm going to draw a curved line across, stretch it downwards in the middle and turn it back up at the side. Turn it upwards, arch curved line to the right. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a short line up on the left corner, a small arch curved line to the right and turn it downwards. Above that set of shape on the left, a line upwards, turn it diagonally up to the left, and on the right side of that, another diagonal line downwards to the right at that corner. Mirror that same shape of the weapon on the right side of his thigh. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!